Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will see how to identify the categorical features when your data set is so huge. Okay, so I have taken a data set of a house production data set from Kaggle. So I have loaded the data set. Okay, this is my data set. Okay, so it has a total of 81 columns, 81 features, and 80 independent features, and one is a dependent feature, which is a sale price. This is a dependent feature. So since we have so many features here, we don't know which one is a categorical. So I can tell that a basic code to identify what all the categorical features from our data set. Just categorical feature equal to I for data set columns. And is like what I have done is like from the data set columns, it will take that all the columns and it will check what is the data type of that column. If it is O, which means object type, so that is a categorical feature one. Okay, so I will print it. So we got that list of categorical features, but we should know how many unique values are part of those categorical features. Some might have 2 or 3 and some might have more than 10, so we can identify that. Print values found in the feature format of, so we need to find that number of values, right? So data set of I dot unique of comma I. Let's run this. Yeah, now you can see that how many unique values are for features, categorical features. See, this has more than it has 15, 16. These are huge. For the simple ones we can apply one cut encoder, but for the huge ones we have to go by different way. Okay, so I will plot the relationship between I'll plot with median. So sale price is the dependent feature. Median of dot plot dot bar of pld dot x label of I, pld dot y label of a dependent variable, it's feature versus sale price. No, we can give just I. just for simplicity, show off. See, from the graph you can see the relationship. I mean, which categorical value contributes more to your dependent variable. For example, if you look at this one, see that other category contributes more to that your sale price, which means more number of rows are found with this category. So this is the relationship. Okay, in the next video we can see how can we convert this categorical values.